Hello, you guys. Hello, hello. Welcome to Monday. So excited.
It's definitely Monday.
It's Monday, you guys. Okay, so let's go over the August kit. I could barely close. This is the Teresa Collins clear box. We are not selling these yet because of everything. And so this entire project here. And so you get this. You get, to show you how to do that, you get the exclusive PDF that you can print. So this is for you. Oh, I love this.
I feel like even I might print that one out.
You would print this out?
Very cool.
It's very cool, isn't it? So that is exclusive. You get this really cute accordion. This one is Make-A-Wish. It's like a birthday one, and it opens up. So you get this. You also get...
Oh, don't forget, I threw in a bonus.
You did. You did a bonus. I don't know. There's a notebook that's in there. I did this card for Capri for her birthday, and so you get all the stuff to recreate this really fun. This is a lift up. You get everything you see here. There's more.
But wait,
there's
more.
And even more. So this is a layout. It's really cute. It's got like all the stickers, and this says love me. So I'll show you how to do this one, and then a more masculine too. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 5 projects. And we wanted to have that live for you today too.
We're so dang close.
We were so dang close. It's all there except for they need to weigh it at the warehouse,
yeah,
because
or else the shipping program has a
Brian was there this morning. So you guys, tomorrow it will go live tomorrow. The cost is $47.99. I always want to give you a good deal, and that includes the products. It includes my video instructions, your photos. It includes your Zoom, all of that for the August project kit, and your PDF. So I wanted to show, this is just if you want the project kit, I even put in bonus material, so you'll get more stuff than you're gonna see that you got like one of these in there, even though it's not necessarily, used in that, but you're gonna see all this really, really fun stuff, and it's just really cool. You kind of know that, like, I always really, really, really love to give you a lot of stuff in your project kit. This is a clear, by the way, someone asked me how big this is, and I'm pretty sure, oh, here we go. The Teresa Collins ruler. Okay, so it is 5 inches wide. Oh, I did 5 by 7. This is 5 by 7.
We'll be right.
Do you want to show them the project kit box? It's right in front of us. So one of the things that we did, because honestly, when we announced the project kits, we had no idea we would get the response. This one will sell out. Like, there's just certain ones that I know, and we will not be able to do more because of with COVID and everything. This is the box that our project kit. So when you get the project kit,
so we made the box 13 by 13, so it'll fit my favorite size of paper. Which
yeah, so this will fit your 12 by 12. You guys, this is so thick and sturdy.
You
could hang on to this.
So
as you're buying the project kits, you will now start getting them in these sturdy Teresa Collins. Hello.
The big kids that have 12 by 12 papers will come.
Yeah, so this fits 12 by 12 paper. Hey, do we have a 12 by 12? Oh, let's show them. Because I just feel like we wanted to give you, like, when you buy a project kit from us. Yeah. So let's just say, here's a really fun Teresa Collins paper. So they fit inside, so it can also be a storage box for you. Or you could cut them up, and like this says, keep creating, love fully, dream big, work hard, travel often, take risks, Teresa Collins. And it says, create the life you love. So for example, you would get the kits, and everything inside your box delivered to you, just like this. We just really felt like that is a really fun way to, be more. Like I always say, like, why just be mediocre? Do beyond that. Love you guys.